Hello. Hi, everyone. So, let me set the scene for you and imagine this. A luxurious lounge in Miami where friends are dancing under the setting sun in an inviting, warm terrace. A fine dining experience in Copenhagen where every dish is a piece of art. A therapeutic massage in a serene spa in Kyoto that melts away your stress. Well, these unforgettable experiences are just a few moments that you can see behind me, and they represent the diverse activities and services that we provide at Accor. At Accor, we operate more than 5,000 properties around the world, such as hotels, bars, restaurants, spas, and co-working places. At Accor, we operate also and we host major sports and musical events, such as the Accor Arena in Paris. Today, we are more than just a hotel group. Our expertise brings new life to the way people live, travel, play, and do business. This is what we call augmented hospitality. Our digital and loyalty platform, all.com, is the perfect illustration of our augmented hospitality. It gives to our customers and members a wide range of brands, services, and benefits, such as, for example, just late checkouts or access to new experiences in food, sports, and music. Our digital department's mission is very simple, very clear. Create unforgettable experiences, and to see these beautiful, smiling faces in our venues every day. The hospitality industry is evolving rapidly every day, and we have also digital players that are reshaping the landscape. 3 years ago, we embarked on a significant digital transformation to lead the way. Our approach, very simple, puts the customer first at the heart of everything we do and think, and use the technology to enhance customer experience and to streamline the staff operations. We serve two main audiences. On one hand, our guests who are enjoying hospitality services in our hotels, but also on our booking platforms. And on the other hand, our hoteliers who are using our digital tools in their everyday life. But what makes us unique? What sets us apart from pure digital players? In fact, it's very simple, because at the end of the day, we welcome guests, people, in our physical venues. We can offer them a level of personalized hospitality service that purely digital players cannot. In fact, our objective is to combine both of the best worlds. On the one hand, best-in-class digital tools, and on the other hand, in-person service to create a holistic experience from digital to physical. Digital transformation also means a transformation in our ways of working. We have shifting from being a company that does digital to a company that puts digital at the heart of everything we do. Product design is now core and central to our mission. And our teams, business teams, tech teams, product teams, and design teams work closely together every day to make this happen. Now, you might be wondering how our product design teams can create such great experiences. And to answer that, I'll hand over to Thomas.
Thanks, Myriam. When you want to create unforgettable experiences, one of the most important challenges for design team is to be impactful and be at the center of the decision-making process. And we know how difficult this is. Every day, we need to be equal partners with product managers, developers, business owners. We need to respond to user needs, integrate the company strategy. It's a colossal daily challenge. Fortunately, there are solutions. And our goal today is to humbly present to you the strategy we have adopted in the ops that will benefit from it. Having impact. Having impact means focusing on the right things. At Accor, we focus on 4 main areas. Our vision of design, activated by a clear organization, supported by a culture, and not only design culture, and with innovation at its heart. And you will see for each of these areas that we talk about being both global and local. Because if each product is 5-star and connected to the other, then we create the condition for high-quality holistic experiences. Let's start with the vision. It is essential to guide many different teams and ensure that we are all going in the right direction together. However, it is often complex to set up, especially in large organizations. It can be too top-down, nobody applies it, or a global vision that doesn't correspond to the context of each design team. Worse still, it is often a simple product or technological vision, treating the user we serve as an afterthought. So what did we do? We have a global design vision. We need a global design vision. We want personalized experiences for our customer and efficiency for our atelier. Our vision is designed collaboratively by designers, but not only, by products, technology, and business leaders too. But when you are creating a global vision, it is not enough. You create great experiences, but for creating great experiences, you need to create great products. So in each tribe, we have a design vision that's connected to our global vision. By doing this, we ensure that we have a connection between each context and our overall direction. We have a strategy for each vision, and we use notably OKR. Objective key results help design teams demonstrate their impact through quantitative goal setting. And it's the same principle for OKR. We have global OKR and OKR by tribe. But there is a subtlety here. Our design OKR are also connected to our business OKR. By doing this, the choice we made in design also reflects the company's larger strategy. We remain customer-centric, of course, and we love so much our user. We love so much to do discovery and delivery every day. There is no question about that. But by doing this, we can justify our impact to decision makers. Now let's talk about the organization to bring this vision to life. Our view is that designers need to be both at the heart of preparation and everywhere at once. What we do first is ensure that designers are at the center of product teams, working end-to-end with product management, developers, and business. This ensures high-quality products. But we also want to be global and holistic. So we have a cross-functional team, including design ops, design system, and content ops. They work every day with product teams to help roll out our culture. But organization is not just about placing people in the right position. It's also about values. Our first value at Accor is understanding global challenges and embracing diversity. For example, today at Accor, we are very proud that at the management level, over 60% of our team are women. Second point, in France, typically, the career progression leads to becoming a manager. But some designers don't want to be manager, and I'm sure it's the case here. You are experts in various design fields, you do a fantastic work, and you deserve recognition. So we offer the option to become a manager or a staff, for example, design ops, design system, content ops, or ops specialist, with the same recognition and same salary. Third point, we are in the era of experiences. So one of our core values at Accor is team spirit, and not only design spirit. Collaboration with product managers, with developers is so important. And today, finally, soft skills have become just as important as hard skills for designers. We work together to achieve great things. Let's talk about the most difficult and yet important topic if we want to create great experiences at scale, our culture. Generally, the culture is set by decision makers in a top-down manner. No one follows it, and we are fragmented. Or the culture is only developed for the design teams. It's a design-only culture. And when you have to be in collaboration with product management, notably, it's very difficult. Finally, for many, culture is just processes, tools, and methods standardized in the same way for everyone, which generally leads to a culture of meetings and less time spent on where we bring value. This is precisely not what we want at Accor. When we created our culture, we remember this sentence of Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, the author du Petit Prince: "The grandeur of a profession is above all uniting people. There is only one true luxury, that of human relationship." This is precisely our belief. Moving towards holistic experiences is fundamentally about working better together. It's about connection. It's about cohesion. We want to connect people with one another, saving them time to be more creative and more customer-centric. So our culture is designed by product designer, but not only, by product manager, developer, and business owner are also involved. And our mindset is very simple. We have a common framework defined by our common priorities. And within that framework, there is plenty of room for flexibility and creativity. That's why we call this culture freedom within the frame. What does that mean concretely? Each team that wants to develop something, if it's prioritized, can take ownership of it. For example, it can be career paths or rituals. They will work on it, test it, measure it, share it if it's compelling. Then each team can adopt it in full or in part if it makes sense. This new team use it, continue to develop it, refine it, and everyone keep progressing in such a way. This is how we build our culture. And to make this culture a reality, 15% of designer time is spent on developing our culture and innovation, and it's clearly written in the job description. We have today 3 major topics, actually: ways of working, share and grow, and measurement. I won't go into details. You will see that we ultimately face the same challenges. Just an example. This ritual called La Synchro. It's a synchronization between designers. Imagine 40 designers in a workshop, in a room, exchanging ideas, working together for an hour. This goes against of many usual recommendations. It's a nonsense. And no, it's one of our key rituals. Why? First, because this workshop is time-boxed. Each designer presents their work for 1 minute. The teams in general present their work for 2 minutes. Only 5 minutes of preparation every 2 weeks. And this approach works. It works because it connects people, fosters a global perspective, and instills pride in the work being done. When you let people express themselves, incredible things happen. We are config, and of course, we have to talk about design system, which is a core element of our culture. We have more than over 100 products and 40 brands. Our design system is indispensable. We are working in the hospitality, so we call our design system welcome. We don't dive into the technicalities of our design system. There is incredible talks at Config on this subject. However, our goal is more to give you some key insight from a large organization like ours. First of all, we want each brand shine and have an overall overview of our experiences. So we create design system guidelines for each brand, And we assist them in using our guidelines, and they help us evolve it every day. The second point is design system review. In our discovery and delivery process, we have a design system review. Just as I said before, our culture is not to impose, but to adapt to each context. So each team has a kind of design review. It can be synchronous, asynchronous, different kinds. There is no problem about that. And the third point, we have a hybrid governance, and not only design. Product, design, and tech together work to be sure that at the brand level and at the overall design system level, we have the right experience. Last but not least, we have a design system manager in each tribe, like for the vision. Why? Because this helps evolve and integrate the design system. Having a design system manager in addition to a global design system team clearly helps moving things forward. And today, more than 70% of our products use our design system, and we hope 90% at the end of the year. we have finished with the culture. But like I said before, designers spend time on culture and in innovation. Now it's time, Myriam, to talk about innovation.
Yes, thank you, Thomas. I'm back to discuss on innovation and give you a glimpse of what we do at Accor. Our innovation is built on 3 core principles. You have them just on this slide. First, efficiency. Second, emotion. And third, human connection. As Thomas mentioned, we dedicate time for our teams to focus on innovation. This helps us to stay aligned and to anticipate our customers' evolving needs. Just talk a bit about AI. At Accor, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a reality. We have already implemented several use cases in our organization to improve efficiency. For example, hotelier today can spend like 5 hours per day on digital tasks, like uploading, for instance, new pictures on hotel pages. AI can help by automatically checking for brand guidelines and making some slight retouches that can save up to 15% of their time so that they can focus to engage more with our guests in real life. This is what we want at Accor. We want to use technology to better have human connection so that you can create more emotion in our hotels, in our properties. We are also testing AI to improve online travel searches with our partner Amazon. Instead of the standard process, our generative AI travel assistant can help and allows our customers and members to use natural language search to improve their experience online and to be more efficient in their travel searches. Our aspiration is very simple: connect the digital world to the physical world. And to achieve this, we are introducing our Apple Vision Pro experience, which has been available just this morning. So this is a fresh demo that we wanted to share with you today. Here is a look at our demo of Apple Vision Pro at the OWO Raffles in London. There was no sunshine this day in Paris, as usual. We believe the Apple Vision Pro will set new standards for pre-stay experiences in the travel industry, so that people and our guests get excited about the future stay. Imagine walking through halls and rooms that have been frequented by iconic figures like Winston Churchill, or exploring spaces that inspired Ian Fleming's James Bond series. This technology, in fact, offers guests a preview of our elegant and beautiful architecture, for instance, for this beautiful palace, that can create emotions. To successfully drive our transformation, we believe that these key pillars have been essential. Vision leads to clarity. Organization leads to structure. Design system leads to consistency. And culture leads to engagement. These pillars have enabled us to achieve significant success, as demonstrated by this 90% of our team satisfaction and our +6 increase of our customer satisfaction. It has been crucial for us to ensure that we deliver exceptional experience for our guests, our hoteliers, and at the end of the day, also for our teams. Going back to Saint-Exupéry, he said the only true luxury is that of human relationships. We've mentioned with Thomas during this session more than maybe a dozen times the words collaboration and teams, because beyond our mission and the insight we've shared with you today, we've built a connection, a shared desire, and a culture. By embedding this connection at the heart of our action every day, we ensure that our vision of hospitality enhances our customers' lives every day, and ultimately creating unforgettable experiences for all. Thank you.
Thank you.